anytime is a great time for a beautiful Greek salad.
You can eat it on its own or add any protein you'd like.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. We love making this salad.
Yeah, you can eat this as a side dish or as an entree by adding the lamb meatballs on top of it.
Or by adding that pan-seared fish with the yellow spice.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Totally. So today I chose a romaine for this Greek salad. You can easily substitute with an iceberg lettuce or any other lettuce that you prefer.
The key to lettuce is to clean it really well because you have a lot of dirt and bugs hiding there sometimes.
And then the other key is to dry it really well.
So you can just use a salad spinner if you have one, but if you don't,
you can just place a towel, spread the leaves on top of it, and just roll it up to get some of the water out.
I tear lettuce with my hands instead of using it with a knife, bite-sized pieces.
Okay, we just had a discussion on how one should cut a red onion for Greek salad. So we're gonna show you both ways, so you get to decide which one is better for you.
I like really thin sliced onion in my salads.
So you cut it lengthwise.
Yes.
From the root to the head.
The root to the head. How beautiful, elegant, beautiful.
Okay. I do it from side to side. If you had half an onion, it would be half a ring. This is gonna be a quarter ring. And I always leave the root intact because it holds the onion together so it doesn't fall apart. I'm just gonna cut a little bit of the top here, clean it. So you get this onion that's clean, but with the root still holding everything together. So I'm going side to side. Check this out. Honestly, you're gonna end up with sort of the same thing, just a slightly different shape. There you go.
I don't know, pretty equal.
We're gonna measure this later, but let's continue for now. This was a big onion, so about a quarter or half of a smaller onion. How about we take some of yours and some of mine?
I think that's really fair. Can you tell we have children?
Obviously, if you love red onion,
go for it.
Okay, so next we're gonna grab 1 cucumber.
1 cucumber.
We like to cut the cucumber in half. Thin slices, but not too thin. Remember, cucumber doesn't have bold flavor. It's okay if the chunks are a bit bigger. Just toss them in the salad, put them right into your bowl. And grape tomatoes?
I do grape tomatoes, but you can do any tomato you'd like. I cut them in half like long ways.
What else?
Today I brought in some sugar snap peas.
Okay.
Let's cut up some of those.
You totally don't have to put these, but if you can find them, they are delicious. And they add this crunchiness to the salad that you
can't beat.
These are really crunchy, so we'll cut them fairly small. And you don't have to put a lot of them. Maybe a handful of snap peas for this amount. One edge and the other.
What distinguishes a Greek salad from other salad is the olives and the feta cheese.
Yeah, on top of the vegetables.
Absolutely.
We brought 2 types of olives, the Kalamata and the Castelvetrano.
Perfect.
You can easily buy a mix already prepared or even just use one kind. Whatever you do, just make sure you buy them pitted already because it is a hassle to cut it off the pit.
I slice the olives the way I slice everything, lengthwise.
And we have about a quarter cup of each, maybe a little more. Totally depends on how much you love the olives. They can be pretty dominant. So you can put less and just add a little bit more later if you think you need to. Lastly, we're gonna crumb a little bit of feta in the bowl.
Today we're not gonna add a lot because we're also gonna be adding it to the dressing. Mix it up.
And at this point you can see if you need more olives or any of the other vegetables. Guys, it's totally flexible. Okay, here's what you need for the dressing. It's super quick and easy.
So a quarter cup of vinegar. It's a 3-to-1 ratio, oil to vinegar. So I'm gonna do 3/4 of a cup of oil. I'm adding 1 clove of garlic, juice from 1 lemon, a tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of parsley, teaspoon of salt, freshly ground black pepper. The secret ingredient to this Greek salad dressing is putting the feta cheese directly into the dressing. 1/4 cup feta cheese.
So now we're gonna emulsify it. The smell is incredible. I can smell the saltiness from the cheese, the dry herbs, and some of the garlic. Now, if you're not ready to serve it, wait with the dressing. You want to dress it just before serving, otherwise your vegetables will become a bit soggy. We're ready to eat. We'll give it a little mix just before you add it because the cheese kind of settles to the bottom.
A word about the dressing. You want to underdress it at first. So add a little, toss it. If you think it looks dry, add more. You can always add more, but you cannot really take it away.
And push the salad to the side a bit and put the dressing here so it doesn't just stick to the vegetables on the top. Right?
Exactly.
How's that?
Yeah.
Okay. Just by looking, it's kind of glossy.
Yeah.
I can see the cheese everywhere, but the best way to test it is just to
take a bite.
It's beautiful. Place it in a nice bowl. If the food looks good, it'll taste good. This is a beautiful side. To finish it off, we're gonna put our lamb meatballs just on top of it.
I'm gonna drizzle a little dressing over the top of the balls.
Guys, this looks absolutely delicious. And there you go. You can find both of these recipes in the links in the description below.
Make sure you subscribe and we'll see you soon.